Good morning, happy Tuesday. Today is the beginning of my Thanksgiving break. I'm so excited. I'm getting picked up. What time is it? So I'm getting picked up at 11:10 to drive home to Phoenix. Been needing this break. Guys, I've written 5 papers in the last 3 weeks. 5 research papers. I'm tired, I'm done. I have no homework to do over break because I've done everything ahead of time. So I can just enjoy myself, enjoy my family, enjoy my friends. Let's go enjoy our Thanksgiving break, shall we? A semi truck just ran into us and we started spinning right off the road. It seemed like time stopped, is really what it felt like. I saw the semi truck in the rear view mirror as soon as we got hit, and then we just started spinning and spinning. This is what the car looks like. We're on the phone with 911. This is the freeway that we spun off of. That was truly the scariest thing that has ever happened. The whole time I was in there and we were spinning, I was just hoping we weren't gonna die, which is how it felt. Which is really scary. It was really fucking scary. But we're okay. My mom called, that's why I stopped recording. To add on to that, after talking to her, the firemen and the policemen are on their way. I guess in the spirit of Thanksgiving, I'm really grateful for my life. I'm thankful to be alive right now. I'm thankful we were wearing our seatbelts and that we were okay. And we have help on the way. We're 2 hours away from home. I don't know how we're getting home. On the freeway, we were driving on the right lane because the semi truck was coming in. Must have been going from the left lane into the right, and they hit our car.
Okay.
This is our current situation.
I don't remember.
Beautiful. They stopped traffic?
Yeah. They'll probably get the
They took our vitals. We're sitting, they're talking to Athena. Called our parents. I have a really sore back. Everyone here is really nice, but they said it's gonna be a long night. We're gonna be here for a while. That's the way we slid. We're waiting for the tow truck. The firemen left now. We're just with one police officer. We're sitting in his car to keep warm. At least we're in the front of the police car instead of the back, right? I'm being optimistic because we're okay. We're safe. It was nice. We found out a lot of people called in who were driving on the street. So thank you to everyone who called 911. That was very nice. It's an emotional day. A day I'll never forget. But we're okay. So happy Thanksgiving. We're in the tow truck, 47 minutes to the gas station where my mom's gonna pick us up, and that's 47 minutes away from home.
I told him once I get going, it's gonna be, I'm going. And
we're safe, my mom's coming, and we're on our way. Just grabbing our bags. In the trunk.
in the trunk?
Yeah, that's where my stuff is. Hello, Angel, hi. Hey guys, I wanted to give a final update on the night. I'm home now. I've seen my dog, I've seen my brother with my family, and it feels good. My neck hurts a lot, and so does my lower back. Tomorrow I'm getting my hair dyed and I'm getting lasered, and I have a lot of fun filming going on tomorrow for a different video that you can see, but I'm excited to have a really wonderful break. It was a very scary day. It kind of just feels like a dream, like it never happened. I don't know what I was saying. My mom just walked in and showed me her new pants, but it all happened so fast, and then the aftermath, you saw a good amount of it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Yeah, I'm in my car. Wow, you would think I'd be a little traumatized from a car right now, but I'm actually so happy to be with my baby again. I missed her. She still doesn't have a name, guys. I am on my way to do my hair. I haven't brushed it today. I mean, this is how I woke up. It's been in this clip all night. So get my hair dyed and you can watch that video. I'm doing a whole separate video just on the whole hair dyeing process, why I'm dyeing it this color, what it means to me, all that kind of fun stuff. So in this video, you'll just see the end result. But if you want to go see like the whole process and everything, then you can go check out that video as well. But I'm gonna be late, so I gotta hit the road and go do that. I'll see you in a bit. Hi vlog. So I am on my way to go pick up Sophie. We're going to our favorite sushi place. I'm so excited. I haven't seen her since the end of summer, which is crazy. So I'm so excited to see her. Hopefully I'll film a little bit. Where's the dog?
Look at his little nose. He has whipped cream on it. you for a walk? What?
Reese, you ready for a walk? You ready? Oh, good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. I am about to leave my house to go to my grandparents' house on my mom's side for Thanksgiving lunch, and then later on my brother and I are gonna drive about 40 minutes away to my dad's side of the family to hang out with them the rest of the night. I got ready. My eyes have never looked so blue, and it's 100% because of the hair, so I'm so happy I finally have blue eyes and not gray. This is my favorite holiday of the entire year, so I am so excited. Where am I looking?
Did you see my dance?
No. Do you want to do it?
We're so glad you're here.
Oh,
and
me
we're so
too.
glad you're okay.
Me too.
Yes, and I missed you.
I missed you too. Who got you this?
Robin Shami.
Oh my god.
They were in there this month. See them. Thank you.
Aw.
Happy Thanksgiving.
You got me when I licked a crescent roll.
Yeah, I think it's so crazy.
This is the best sight ever. I'm scared. Please be careful with her.
Here's my grandma right before Dave drops her. Hey.
No, she's safe.
Are you kidding me? You're YouTubing me?
Yeah.
Love you, Ashlyn.
Thank you.
Okay, I love you very much.
Thanks,
So
Mark.
nice to see you. You're awesome. And look who else is here. Right? It's Ari.
My brother, I
Oh
know.
my God, are you kidding me? We don't get enough time like this.
No.
So
That's why the holidays are the
absolutely not.
best.
Absolutely.
And to our hosts, thank you so much for having us. It is great to see all of you.
Cheers.
Happy Valentine's
Thanks,
Day.
cheers.
Happy Valentine's Day.
It is about 9 o'clock now. I just got home from 3 different Thanksgiving lunches and dinners. So much fun. I love seeing my family, especially my dad's side of the family, who I don't get to see that often. It's always really special. Me and my grandma were talking and crying to each other, just emotional in all the best ways. It was just a really good night, but now I am quite tired and I'm going to wash my face. I'm waking up very early for Black Friday. I'm picking up Sophie at 5:45 in the morning. The mall opens at 6. I'm not looking for anything, kind of just if anything catches my eye. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Happy Friday. I woke up at 5:15 was when my alarm was to go Black Friday shopping with Sophie. I look crazy, but whatever. Also on my phone when I woke up was a tornado warning in the area in Arizona, in Phoenix. So yeah, the storm last night was just crazy, and there was no chance I was gonna drive my car to the mall when there's a tornado warning, extremely heavy rain, and a bunch of crazy Black Friday shoppers. It just wasn't gonna happen. So there wasn't anything I wanted anyways. It was more just for fun. So my plans for today are go to lunch with my mom. I have like a therapeutic massage thing to get all the kinks out of my back and neck from the accident when my muscles tensed up. So I'm really excited about that because my back and stuff really hurt. Oh, and if you're wondering, this is how I sleep with my hair. And it gives me really pretty curls. So I just have a clip right there, and it's tied like that, and it comes out really pretty. I just wanted to quickly pop on here and say I just took my hair down from how I was sleeping. This is what it looks like, just straight from sleeping. This whole no heat thing is wonderful. Okay, now I'm gonna go make myself look a little more presentable. My mom and I are about to go to my favorite restaurant of all times. They are opening one in LA, so I'm so excited. You'll see some videos of what I get. It's so delicious and beautiful. Guys, look at how delicious this is. Oh my god. What should I get? Guys, food was so good. I just whitened my teeth with my NOVASHINE whitening kit. Check all the information down below to see what that's all about and get your own, because I have been loving mine and I want you guys to have nice pretty teeth. And now I am just resting. I'm still in my robe for another probably 30 minutes before I'm gonna head out, but I'm watching The Amazing Race. If you guys watch this show or Survivor or Love Island or Bachelor, let me know and we can talk about these shows down below, because I love all my reality competition shows. Let me know. But that's what I'm doing right now. I'm in the massage bathroom. I'm about to get my massage. I am so excited for it. We're gonna focus mostly on my back, shoulders, and neck, and I will see you on the other side, hopefully a lot more relaxed. I'm meeting up with a friend who goes to ASU. Somehow I have been roped into going to Chili's. I don't think I've ever been to Chili's.
Strawberry lemonade. That's what it is.
Hi.
Oh, is this for the vlog?
Yes.
Yeah.
Promo yourself, whatever you want.
Yeah, okay. My name is Johnny, and I'm the founder of Voyage Productions. We're a video production company based in Tempe. This is our studio area. This is where we do the editing. This area is our lobby, and then I'll show you like the main studio area. This is like our actual studio.
Oh my
Yeah, it's pretty
gosh.
big. So
Awesome.
yeah, this is where the magic happens. It's fun. We got all sorts of gear. Half the gear's out at the shoot right now.
Rise and shine.
Oh my god, so.
Oh, reunion. How are you, dude? Cute girl. Good morning, guys. Today is our Friendsgiving at my house. Let me show you what we've done. It's really nothing special. This is where we'll be sitting. There's 6 of us and there's 6 chairs. We have a cute little Thanksgiving flower piece. Everyone is kind of bringing their food. That is what's going on today. And then after our Friendsgiving, a couple of us are going to the ASU versus UofA tailgate at ASU. They're playing each other at like 8 p.m. tonight. And one of my friends goes to ASU, so we are going to tailgate, which I am so excited about. I was down at ASU last night to get dinner with my friend. That's the 2 items on the agenda for today is Friendsgiving and tailgating at ASU. Oh, hello!
Here, but they said
No, it's business casual, but they also it was his birthday. And
hello. Will you take a picture of me?
Of course. I got you guys. I love you all. Happy Friendsgiving.
Happy Friendsgiving.
Hi Sophie, happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you in 2 weeks.
Hey guys. Hi.
This is Anna. She's one of the loves of my life.
Oh my god.
And we're going to her boyfriend's tailgate.
Yeah, it's Lambda Chi Alpha.
So we'll show you what that's all about. It's my last night here.
We'll vlog at the tailgate. It's gonna be so fun.
Bye.
Oh my god.
Good morning. I am currently packing behind me. I still have this duffel bag to pack. It is my last day. It's about 11 right now and I'm leaving for the airport at 3. My mom and I are gonna go get lunch real quick. My back hurts really bad. I definitely need to go to a doctor or get more physical therapy. Yeah, it's painful. It really sucks. I've never had back problems before, so that's just not fun. Yesterday was so much fun at the tailgate. Literally every human I have ever known in my entire life was there. And then after that, I just went with my friend Ella to this other apartment party thing and then to this house just to hang out. We got Chipotle and then I came home at like 8 p.m. guys. I was so tired because also our day started at 12 with Friendsgiving. It was just overall a really fun day. That day made the whole trip like super fun and super worth it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here actually. So thank you so much for watching and hanging with me this week. I know a lot happened from the beginning of the trip to the end of the trip. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm now cleaning my shoes. Stick around, turn on the post bell notifications if you want to see when I upload. That'd be really cool. Anyhow, I will see you. I have a couple more videos coming out from this trip, so look out for those. Those will be really fun, and who knows what else I'm gonna do. Just leave down below what you want to see from me, and then maybe I'll do that. See you guys later. Bye.